Hey everyone! Well, I noticed something when I was reading the Earth Shapers that I wanted to share with you. It's a convention that you often see in books and magazines or in plays. They are called contractions, and they're often made from two words that are used quite often together. I'll give you a few examples. These are contractions. Can't, she'll, you've, it's, I'm, we're. And if you think about the word I'm, it's quite easy to hear inside of that word that it's not one word. It's two words that has kind of been stuck together using this apostrophe, right? The two words that got stuck together for I'm are the words I am, right? The words I am got used so often to I am, I'm. It just became I'm, like a shortcut, a shortened way to say those two words. And it's quite true for a lot of words. I'll give you another example. Can't. I can't go. I cannot go. I cannot go. I can't go. I can't go. Cannot is used so often that it becomes can't. Gets stuck together by that apostrophe. And it ends up missing some letters. If you notice, there are only 4 letters in can't, but there are 6, 7, right? There are a whole bunch of letters in cannot. So you can actually save yourself some time by using contractions, and it's a little easier, right? Let's do another one. She'll, she will. Yeah, she will is the contraction, or she'll is the contraction for she will. You've is you have. It's is it is. We're is we are. As you put those words together, don't forget about that apostrophe, and you're going to end up losing some of the letters. When I was in second grade, my second grade teacher told me that the apostrophe was very hungry and ate some of the letters. So cannot is missing letters when it becomes can't, because that little apostrophe, or kind of like a comma that's up at the top, that we call that an apostrophe, ate the O and the N from not. Nice. So I'm going to give you another reason why we're focusing on contractions, because they're in our story. I read this first little bit and I found some contractions. Let's see if we can find them together. Just give a shout if you hear them, and we'll try to figure out what words are inside of it. So you have to imagine you're Poseidon. Don't read that word. That just tells you who's speaking. And then there are some stage directions in here also that you don't read. So I'm going to skip right over here to the dialogue. All right, people, let's. Aha, see the apostrophe? It's a good hint. It'll help you find contractions. It's not the only reason we use apostrophes, but it's a good clue. Let's is a shortened version of let. Uh-oh. I think I bumped my own picture there. Let us. Used so much that it becomes let's. Let's keep reading, see if we can find another one. Let's make this quick. Aha, we found another one. I'm is one of the ones we've talked about before, though. That is the word I am put together. Let's keep reading. I'm the boss of everyone and everything, so I have a lot of disputes to settle today. Okay, I hear you guys are fighting about whose is another contraction for who is. You might have noticed a pattern. When you combine words, it's usually the second word that gets shortened. The first word stays. Who, let, I, and then am gets shortened by the apostrophe and by combining them. I think there is at least one more. I hear that you guys are fighting about who's the best earth shaper, and you're not working together. Is this true? Well, may I begin? I've been trying harder than anyone, but it's impossible to work with these snobs, right? So you're going to use the contraction to try to figure out which two words fit inside. And that's the activity I would like to show you next. What you're going to be doing is dragging the words to fit their word pairs. Move the contractions to match their correct word pair. And then afterwards, use your microphone to read it to me so that I know that not only do you know the two words, we would, but you know that we would becomes we'd. Yeah, we'd like to go. We would like to go becomes we'd like to go. So you would just move that one into the box. And then you can do the rest of these for me. Show what you know. Send it my way. Thanks, guys.